In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to your GoDaddy website for 2024. This step-by-step guide will make it simple to integrate PayPal so your customers have more flexibility when making payments. Whether you're running an online store or just want to add an easy way to accept payments, linking PayPal can be a real game changer. Let's get started. First, head over to the GoDaddy website and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see options like domains, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. Take a quick moment to look around since this is where you manage all of your GoDaddy services. Next, open the Products section from your account menu. This area lists all the services and subscriptions you've purchased through GoDaddy. From here, select the specific website you want to edit. If you manage multiple websites, double-check that you've chosen the right one so you don't make changes to the wrong site. Once you're inside your website's dashboard, click on Edit Website. This takes you into the website editor where you can customize both the look and functionality of your site. Now, we're going to add a new section. Look for the Add Section button, then use the search bar to type PayPal. This filters the options and brings up the PayPal button feature. Click on the PayPal button to add it to your site. This button will connect directly to your PayPal account, allowing customers to make payments instantly and securely. Once it's added, you can move and place the PayPal button where it works best for your site, whether that's on a checkout page, a product page, or even your home page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully integrated PayPal into your GoDaddy website. Not only does this make payments easier for your customers, but it can also boost your sales and improve customer satisfaction. Take a moment to customize the style of your PayPal button so it matches your site's branding. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.